You've probably been told that if you don't have much money to invest, your only option is an ETF. Put it in a tracker, forget about it, and hope for the best. But what if I told you that the truth is something completely different? Welcome to the Checkered Red, the channel where we share practical lessons to help you build a better tomorrow. In the next few minutes, we will show you that in the UK, ETFs are just the beginning. There are three powerful, little known strategies that can help you build real wealth from as little as £100. Strategies most investors don't even know exist. So grab your coffee and let's start designing a smarter future. Remember, this video is for education and entertainment only. This is not financial advice. Do your own research or speak to a regulated advisor. Let's talk about property. Most people think property investment means saving up a massive deposit. But here's what many don't realize. You can now become a digital landlord and earn property income with as little as £100. There are two main ways to do this. First is fractional ownership. Platforms like British Pearl or Realtors let you buy shares or fractions of a physical property. You can become a part owner, earning your share of the rental income and any profit when the property sells. It's a simple way to get into the property market without a huge deposit. The second, and for many, a more interesting route is peer-to-peer property lending. Here, instead of owning, you act as the bank. Platforms like Cufflink connect you with property developers who need loans. You pool your money with others to fund these loans. You get paid a fixed rate of interest, usually every month. And here's the kicker. Hold it in an innovative finance ISA and all your interest is 100% tax-free. Alright, a second strategy is for those chasing big upsides. This is where you find those potentially huge life-changing returns. We're talking about investing in startups and early-stage companies. The next Monzo, Brewdog, or Revolut through equity crowdfunding on platforms like Crowdcube and Republic Europe. But isn't that incredibly risky? Yes, most startups fail. But here's the game-changing secret for UK investors. The government has created two powerful tax relief schemes called EIS and SEIS. These schemes fundamentally change the risk. With SEIS, you can get a massive 50% back on your investment as income tax relief. So, if you invest, let's say £1,000, you can get back £500 on your tax bill. With EIS, it's 30%. But it gets better. If you hold the shares for at least 3 years and the company succeeds, any profit you make is completely free of capital gains tax. Imagine investing in the next Monzo with 100% of your gains tax free. And if the company fails, let's say the worst happens and the business goes bust, your investment is worthless. You've lost that remaining £500. You can claim tax relief on your loss. This is the second safety net. Let's say you're a higher rate taxpayer paying 40% income tax. You can claim 40% of that loss back as further tax relief. 40% of £500 is another £200. This means a higher rate taxpayer investing £1,000 in an SEIS company might only have around £300 of their own money truly at risk. We've talked about earning income from property and aiming for huge growth with startups. But the final strategy is about understanding a completely new type of asset, designed for a rapidly changing financial world. Many smart investors believe that our traditional money is constantly losing its power due to inflation. The entire system also relies on trusting a handful of central institutions. To challenge these ideas, a revolutionary concept was born: decentralized currency. Decentralization simply means that no single person, government, or bank is in charge. Instead of a single authority, the network is run by thousands of computers around the world that constantly verify a public ledger of all transactions. That trust comes from the network's unbreakable rules. The first and the most famous example of this is Bitcoin. It was created to be a form of digital gold for the internet. What gives it value? Verifiable scarcity. Its most important rule, which can't be changed, is that there will only ever be 21 million bitcoins in existence. That fixed supply makes it a powerful hedge against traditional money that can be printed endlessly. So, if Bitcoin is digital gold, what's next? That's where Ethereum comes in. Think of Ethereum as a decentralized world computer. It's a platform that allows developers to build thousands of new applications, from financial systems to social media, that aren't owned or controlled by any single company. Its value grows as more people and developers join and build on its network. So, how should a beginner think about this? The key is to see it as a long term investment in a new technology. The smart approach is to not trade day by day, but to start with small, strategic positions in these two foundational assets, learning as you go. The truth is, the investment landscape is brimming with opportunities for those starting small. It's not about how much capital you have, it's about understanding the hidden advantages. You know more than most about becoming a digital landlord, leveraging incredible tax reliefs, and understanding the role of a new digital asset. And if this has changed how you see your investment, hit that subscribe button.